grinding again. We are stoked on a new Krytac Airsoft Gun. I got the Trident, which is a sweet gun, but I bought the bundle package, which comes with an extra barrel to swap out for some close quarter combat. So, super sweet. I've been super stoked on it. There's the shorty, and then there's the longer barrel. I'm just going to do a swap out to show you guys how quickly it can be done. This is great for being in the field. If you're doing different scenarios or different styles, or you just want to mix it up, honestly. It's really nice to be able to change this quickly in the field. So I'm going to try and do it in one cut so you guys can genuinely see how fast it is. But first, I need you guys to crack a beer. For me, it's like 10 o'clock in the morning, so I'm not going to be cracking a beer, but I'll crack a bucha. I've been drinking this. It's pretty delicious. It's got a little bit of alcohol in it, so kind of counts, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, hibiscus healer, hibiscus, cranberry, blueberry. There's definitely some sugar in there, but 0% juice. Brag about it. Whoop whoop. Anyway, all you need is an Allen key. And you pop this guy off. Oh, I should get a punch too. Let's see. Alright, ready? Here we go. Definitely could be done faster. I'm trying too fast now. Let's put that backward. There we go. The struggle is real. That was pretty sloppy, but you can see it's pretty much less than a minute if you're good. I didn't practice or nothing. Bam. Totally different gun. Pretty fucking sweet. I like this on these Krytacs. It's actually functional. Just cool, I guess. But hell yeah. Simple. If you like that, throw me a like, throw me a subscribe, check out my other videos. I'll be doing a bunch more airsoft stuff. Maybe even later today. Appreciate you guys' support. See you around.